Good morning, sir. So today I'm going to talk about IANA, which is the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority and its important role in networking. So first is, what is IANA? So IANA is a global organization responsible for managing and coordinating key elements of the Internet's infrastructure. So it operates under ICANN, or what we have called the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, and it plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of the Internet. So Lyle will discuss the contribution of IANA into the fields of networking.
So, good day, sir. Today I'm going to discuss Ayana's contribution to networking. So, first is the IP address allocation. So, Ayana assigns block of IP address, both IP4 and IPv6, to regional internet registries or RIRS, which then distribute them to organizations and internet service providers. Next is the domain name system or DNS management. So, it oversees the root zone of DNS, which ensures the domain name like www like google.com correctly mapped to IP address. Then next is the protocol assignment. So IANA maintains the registry of internet protocols and port numbers, ensuring that devices and applications can communicate without conflicts. So that's how the IANA contribute to the networking field. Then next will be next will be the examples of Ayana's work. So
Examples of Ayana's work is when you type a website like facebook.com, Ayana ensures that the DNS system translate it into the correct IP address of the server. The well-known port of 80 for HTTP and port for HTTPS are assigned by Ayana to ensure the standard in the web communication. Ayana played a major role in transition of IPv4 and IPv6, ensuring the internet that could be continuing growing up despite the exhaustion of IPv4 addresses.
So, good day, sir. In summary, Ayana is a vital organization that keeps the internet running smoothly by managing IP address, domain names, and protocols. Without Ayana, the internet would lack structure, leading to complex IP allocation, domain name confusion, and inefficient communication between devices. Think of Ayana as the backbone of the internet, quietly working behind the scene to ensure that every website, email, and online service operates seamlessly. From signing IP addresses, the regulation protocols its role is initially in maintaining a stable and reliable digital world. As technology continues to evolve, Ayana will remain a key player in keeping the internet organized, secure, and accessible for everyone. So that's it all. Thank you, sir.
So that's all for the IANA organization, sir. So thank you and God bless.
bye bye.